Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to discuss about the separation of substances. Some methods of the separation of the substances we have already discussed, like we have discussed hand picking method, sedimentation, decantation, evaporation and filtration process. Today we are going to discuss about the condensation process and the distillation process. So children, what do you mean by the condensation process? Condensation is the process by which a substance changes from gas phases to the liquid phase. Means the water vapor condenses into the liquid water after making contact with the surface of the cold bottle. So children, we can say that it is the opposite process of the evaporation, because we have discussed in the evaporation when a liquid changes into gaseous stage on a gentle heating process, so that the just opposite process of the evaporation is the condensation. When the vapors of the liquid or the steam comes in contact with the cool surface, they condenses and back to their original liquid state, so that this process of conversion of the water vapor into its liquid form is called the condensation. So children, you know, when the water vapor from the glass of hot water comes in contact with the cold surface of the plate, what happens? It condenses into the water droplets, and these can be seen on the inner side of the bottle, inner side of the plate, as you seen in the picture. The next method is the separating funnel. Children, the separating funnel is used to separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids. So, the heavier liquid forms the bottom layer while the lighter one forms the upper layer. On standing for some time, the lower layer is run out through the tap and it is collected in the another beaker, which you seen in this diagram. So children, the upper layer remains in the separating funnel and it is run out by the opening the tap and collected in the separated beaker. The next method of the separation is the distillation process. Children, this is the setup of the distillation process. In the distillation process, the liquid from a solution of the salt solution is separated by the evaporation of the liquid and then again recondensation of its vapor in the another vessel. So children, this process is called the distillation process. The pure liquid so collected from its salt solution is called the distillate, or we can say the distilled liquid. So children, the process of distillation is useful for obtaining the pure water from the water containing dissolved impurities in the Gulf. So the Gulf countries drinking water is obtained by the distillation of the sea water. So hope children, this topic is clear to you. Yes, today you should complete your keywords of chapter number 5 in your notebook. Thank you children.